want to?
Yeah, I want spaghetti. Like the real spaghetti. I don't have spaghetti noodles. Go to the store.
Oh, that's a beautiful cord. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Brittany.
Oh, it's like touch.
Hi, Scarlett. Hey.
So don't touch that, please.
How do you knit?
Thank you guys. Oh my gosh.
How much is that?
Maybe I might be a winner.
Aaron bought that ticket.
Did you, Air?
Yep.
Yeah, Air. If this is a winner, we're going on vacation.
We are.
Thank you guys.
What about me? Am I going on vacation?
Yeah, we're going on vacation.
Well, then check it now.
I need a coin.
I don't have coins.
I got one of my.
But you can make it for coins.
I got
You
it.
have the case?
The box should be over there. Like,
We'll put it up on the box. Where's that? Probably for all the driving things. Hey, you want me to all these out?
what is it?
Patty sausage.
If you
I had a
want.
whole packet of them
Yeah.
away. They start real brown looking in my freezer. And I throw them
Put
out.
them in hot water.
Cold water, hot, don't matter. Throw them out.
I'm a no
And
charger
this
knit.
charger, the remote ain't charged. Yeah, it is. Hold the external button. Oh, it wasn't working at first. It's runs on batteries too, so you don't have to plug it in.
Rick, this is yours in here, hon. These are, oh yeah. You. I think I might have a winner here.
What is that?
I don't know. It's called
$5.
$5. Them things are little. How's it go? Ouch.
That's 3 amount. Excuse me.
Oh, 3. I thought it was 2 amounts. I think I matched 2. I don't think I matched 3.
That's 3. Like amount. Window amount. That's not funny.
Oh, I did match 3.
You want?
Yeah, 10,000.
Holy.
Look, 1, 2, 3. Tell me I'm right.
That's 10,000.
10,000.
Holy
Oh
crap.
my God.
Mom, we're going to Vegas.
Oh my God. No shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. That's Bubba.
That's the best Christmas
Oh my
ever.
God, Bubba, we're going to Vegas, baby. Is that what you have to do, match 3?
That's what it says.
Oh my God.
Pick the winner.
Yes, you did.
Aaron should pick up
Where'd
the
you
now
get
one.
this? Oh, I had, won $10,000, special ticket. Match 3 alike. Oh my God.
Match
Oh, it's,
10, 10,000.
it really is right. Come on now. Did I really win it?
That's what it looks like to me.
Oh my God. Oh, we're going somewhere. Take off this week. What do you mean? Come on.
You can take off. Ricky might take off.
Can he take off?
Don't stop him all the time.
Rick, you would take off? We go away.
How about you put the money in a bank?
Oh my God. What?
Just put the money in
Shoot
the
in the
bank.
bank. The bank is just come after we party. After we go on vacation. Oh my God. Where do I cash this in at?
Can you scoot over? I don't got no.
I don't know. I think he got his souls.
Nah, you can't get past
No, not Sobles. Oh, I can't believe this.
Over, please.
What I say on the back?
Mom, can you please scoot
All
over?
right, Rick.
Thank you.
Just
Oh,
relax.
wow.
Official game rule.
Oh, I can't believe it.
Odds of 1 in 0 in 10,000.
I can't believe it.
How do you knit? Maybe give you some knitting lessons.
Oh my God. That's awesome.
Winning prize of $1, $5, $25, and $50 may be claimed wherever lottery tickets are sold. One ticket of 100 or more must be sent by mail or in person.
You must sign an Xbox Live.
That's for online. Money Berry.
Mommy,
Welcome to Autolog, the connected heart of the need for speed, hot pursuit.
Mom, Mother,
Autolog puts friends at the
Mama,
center of
Pika.
your game, allowing you
Cindy.
to easily connect,
Cindy.
compare, and compete
What
with
for the one
all
watch
your friends playing Need
Is
for
this a
Speed.
joke to this thing?
Pictures that you take in the game will appear in photos,
Sid,
and you can share these with your
just
friends.
keep laughing.
And see what
Where did you cash into that?
But you're the money fairy.
When I heard you say that, that was a good joke.
Somewhere.
Ah, thanks, Air. My jokes are grand, so.
Where's the address you take it?
She's a money fairy.
You got an address on it.
Oh, God. What's that, Air? Maybe it is real.
No one lane. Is that what it says on it?
Autolog will
Oh,
also
they got me fooled. Look at this.
Oh my God.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
I got it in my stocking
send
this
your
morning.
hot
Oh, you're stocking and you give it to me.
He's got a bunch of
Get started right away. Head into the career.
Don't tell me about it,
Oh, my
because I'm
God.
just playing some more jokes.
That was good. That was good. Oh my God.
Look at this.
Why was I count with that?
Good one, Air.
Become the ultimate
Ah. Oh my God.
I'm knitting.
Mom's
You're
like,
knitting?
"Dad,
I'm
why is
knitting.
that my toy? I got $7.
creation of the world's
I was like, oh my God.
Honey, you have to read the directions. I did.